Industry 4.0 has enabled the industrial transformation from paper to plastic products, with an increase in their carbon footprint. The process of designing a circular business model, CBM, is a key instrument for this change. This paper presents a methodology for integrating sustainability into a manufacturing environment, based on the impact assessment tools LCA Life Cycle Assessment and LCC Life Cycle Costing, and the Business Intelligence Systems SLCA Social Life Cycle Assessment. The procedure for incorporating sustainability into a CBM has been tested and validated in an Italian company producing ceramic tiles, in line with the goals of reducing the carbon footprint and increasing the product quality.
This article is titled, The Paradigms of Industry 4.0 and Circular Economy as Enabling Drivers for the Competitiveness of Businesses and Territories, the Case of an Italian Ceramic Tiles Manufacturing Company, and was authored by Fernando Garcia-Muiña, Rocío González-Sánchez, Anna Maria Ferrari, and Davide Settembre-Blundo.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.